When choosing between Liquid Web and Hostinger for your web hosting needs, it's essential to understand their pricing structures and target audiences. Liquid Web is a premium hosting provider offering managed solutions tailored for businesses and developers requiring high performance and reliability. Their services include managed VPS hosting, starts at $5 per month for a self-managed plan with 1 GB RAM, 1 vCPU, 30 GB SSD, and 1 TB bandwidth. Fully managed plans with enhanced features are available at higher price points. Dedicated servers, pricing varies based on configuration, with significant discounts available during promotional periods. Managed WordPress hosting, plans start at $5.25 per month, providing features like free staging sites, automatic security updates, daily backups, and 24/7 expert support. These plans are ideal for businesses and developers seeking robust infrastructure and comprehensive support. Liquid Web's offerings are ideal for enterprises, high-traffic websites, and users who need robust infrastructure and comprehensive support. Their services come with features like automatic backups, DDoS protection, and scalable resources. However, the premium nature of their services means higher costs, making them more suitable for those with larger budgets and specific performance requirements. Hostinger, conversely, focuses on affordability and user-friendliness, catering to individuals, small businesses, and beginners. Their pricing includes shared hosting. Plans start as low as $1.95 per month, offering features like a free domain, SSL certificate, and access to a website builder. VPS hosting, prices begin at $5.99 per month, providing dedicated resources for growing websites. You can visit Liquid Web or Hostinger to get promos and discounts right now, links provided in the description of this video. Okay, so, Hostinger services are designed for those seeking cost-effective solutions without compromising essential features. Their intuitive control panel and 24/7 customer support make it accessible for users with varying technical expertise. While their performance is reliable for small to medium-sized websites, they may not offer the same level of resources and support as premium providers like Liquid Web. In summary, Liquid Web, best suited for businesses and developers needing high-performance managed hosting solutions and are willing to invest in premium services. Hostinger, ideal for individuals and small businesses looking for affordable, user-friendly hosting options with essential features. Choose the provider that aligns with your specific needs and budget. For more detailed information, go to Liquid Web or Hostinger, links in video description. Subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews and comparisons to help you make informed decisions.